Here is our second one of the night at the Los Angeles School of Flower Design. Sunflower topiaries. How hard was this to do? How hard?
Easy.
Easy, she says. She's only been here for 2 hours. She already made the other design. Now they made these topiaries. With ivy wrapped around the poles. It took us, about 10 minutes to make these, if that. There they all are lined up. Sunflower topiaries. You can make it with any mass flower on top. You can order the flowers from Michael's magicgarden.com, michaelsflowergarden.com rather, or flowerschool101.com. Online classes available as well as in studio. In Los Angeles, my two darlings who saved my nights in LA by attending school during the COVID were being very careful. Separate! I'm keeping my eye on them. Beautiful. They listen well. Thank you. LA, Los Angeles Flower School, signing out. Bye-bye.